Assalamu alaikum. Let's start from the point we have explained yesterday. Given one function and the angle belongs to given quadrant, another function, and this angle belongs to another quadrant, it says here find cosine, or the required here cosine alpha plus beta, sine alpha plus beta, then tan alpha plus beta. I said we need to find sine, cosine, and tan for the angle alpha, sine, cosine, and tan for the angle beta. For the angle alpha, let's draw this triangle, the right triangle. This is alpha and sine 3, opposite 3, hypotenuse 5. So the adjacent, I think it's clear, 3, 5. So the third side will be 4. Now I want to get sine alpha, which is given, cosine alpha, and tan alpha. Sine alpha is given 3/5, cosine alpha adjacent over hypotenuse 4/5, and tan alpha opposite over adjacent 3/4. Alpha belongs to the first quadrant, so all of them positive based on the sign rule A, S, T, C. Then for beta, this is for angle alpha. For angle beta, this is angle beta, and the sine 5/13, the sine opposite 5, 13 hypotenuse, so the adjacent from Pythagoras will be 12, because 5, 12, 13 is famous triangle. Sine beta, which is given, cosine beta, and tan beta. Sine beta 5/13, cosine beta adjacent 12/13, and tan beta equals opposite over adjacent 5/12. Now I want to get cosine alpha plus beta. Cosine alpha plus beta, here this part is not clear, it was not clear. Sine beta opposite over hypotenuse, cosine beta adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan beta equals opposite over adjacent, so 5/12. Now I want to get cosine alpha plus beta. We have to memorize the formula for cosine sum. Cosine sum equals cosine alpha cosine beta minus sine alpha sine beta. So cosine alpha 4/5. Oh, I forgot something here. In which quadrant angle beta? Angle beta lies in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sine is positive, cosine is negative, and tan is negative. So let's complete here. Cosine alpha is 4/5 times cosine beta, negative 12/13, minus sine alpha 3/5, multiply sine beta 5/13. Here we have negative 48/65 minus 15/65, so it becomes negative 63/65. By the same way, we can find sine alpha plus beta. Sine alpha plus beta equals sine alpha plus beta. The sine sum equals sine alpha cosine beta plus cosine alpha sine beta. So sine alpha 3/5 multiply cosine beta negative 12/13 plus cosine alpha 4/5 times sine beta 5/13. This is negative 36/65 plus 20/65, so it's negative 16/65. This is B and this one was A, so it's a negative 16/65. C C tan alpha plus beta. Tan alpha plus beta equals fraction tan alpha plus tan beta over 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. Tan alpha is 3 over 4 plus tan beta negative 5 over 12 all over 1 minus 3 over 4 times negative 5 over 12, and put this on the calculator. So 3 over 4 tan alpha 3 over 4 plus tan beta negative 5 over 12 over 1 minus tan alpha 3 over 4. This is times tan beta, this is times. So the calculator 3 over 4 3 over 4 plus negative 5 over 12 over 1 minus 3 over 4 times negative 5 over 12, and the answer equals 16 over 63. And the answer equals 16 over 63. Now on your own, solve number 58. Number 58, it says sine alpha equals 4 over 5, and alpha lies in quadrant 1. Quadrant 1. Then sine beta equals 7 over 25. Beta lies in quadrant 2. It says find A, the same cosine, but I'm gonna change the sign here. Alpha minus beta. B, sine alpha minus beta. C, tan alpha minus beta. So the same, but find the difference between the two angles. This is number 58 in your textbook. I'm waiting for your answers on the WhatsApp group.